Hello friends, how are you? Assalamu alaikum, fine. On the 7 Google keyword planner uses that they haven't thought of. Google, why to use Google keyword planner for SEO step by step. The first time 7 Google keyword planner uses. If you use the Google AdWord, you're probably familiar with the Google keyword planner. It was very powerful tools that you can use and even don't want to spend money on Google AdWord campaign. You do, however, needed to set up a Google AdWord account. Once your account is set up, sign in and to Google Ads, ads.google.com. From text, click tools icon in header keyword planner mentioned. So it have access Google keyword planner. What you can do this. The first two over on this, discover new ideas. The 7 O's. Number 1, discover new ideas. Number 2, great search volume and forecast. Number 3, use keyword planner data information and Facebook ad. Exploiters sessional trend. Research your competitor. Guide SEO content decision. Take your keyword with you. Forecast the result. Use divide estimation information advertising strategy. The 7 again the 7 the use Google planner. Number 1, use keyword planner county data to inform Facebook ad. Number 2, explore seasonal trend. Explore seasonal trend. Number 3, research your competitors. Number 4, guide SEO content discussion. Number 5, take your keywords with you. Number 6, forecast the result. Number 7, use discover instant in advertising. Use keyword planner data information to Facebook ads. Keyword more about when bring search for and when can help you create the most effective ad on the platforms including Facebook. Use local feeds, look and reach product service when to promote. You can find out them create type and ads platform better. Those you can forecast ad and look and most identity generate and customer. Number 2, explore seasonal trend. Keyword planner data can also be used to learn more about how interest keyword process products evaluation from month to month. For example, you're more likely to see search for suggest for month to month of search to however customers from month to month. The keyword tools might also uncover search for potential product and relative customer with these years. Armed with information, digital marketing can adjust planner better targeted and reach people right time. Number 3, research your competitors. Most of time Google keyword planner use research keyword related create search team. You can also report to search team selection can website interest using search team. Start with URL search and from the result. Number 4, guide SEO content discussion. Keyword planner help you learn how your audience in search from products and service with their sees keywords. You can develop and content and blogs post, address, selling point, solution, click out average month, search and how to keyword or rank over time, etc. Number 5, take keyword with your expert and keyword planner and keyword research. Number 6, forecast the result. The forecast graphics and Google Keyword Planner great established them on out CPC, cost per click for keyword, who is the targeted, find the point of graph within the CPC page and the dynamic campaign that number of returns of ads response ROAS. Number 7, use device statements and information advertising strategy. The device statement solution give an ideas and distribution. Click your keywords will generate from various device. Steps can help determine kind of ads and run. Net, no matter how you use Google Keyword Planner, it is the benefits can help market organization all size get and most break incumbent in agent and audience more likely. I can again repeat the 7 OA and Google use 7 OA the Google Keyword Planner use. Number 1, Keyword Planner, county data and information, Facebook ad, explore seasonal trend, research your competitor, guide SEO, search engine optimization, content discussion. Number 5, take your keyword with you. Number 6, forecast and result. Number 7, use device, STEM and information advertising strategy. How to Google Planner for SEO. How to use free tools on Google Planner SEO. There are many tools: keyword research, competitor analytics, keyword ranking, and all the test and competitor complete the SEO search engine optimization process. The number of search engine tools available, the content go, can the budget dynamic is best you. Google Keyword Planner is the most common keyword research tools, has been around quick the long term. The benefit using Google Keyword Planner and keyword research, free and add Google data. Google Keyword Planner. Google Keyword Planner is effective tools assess digital marketing in their research effort, most common and APTS bought and organized. Keyword Planner ensure the monthly search volume. SEO process have been reference free tools of free source and keyword research. How to use Google Keyword Planner for SEO. Google Keyword Planner of SEO able to look keyword instant free. Many tools require paid subscription, but Keyword Planner is a free articles and always a condition some keyword research. The Keyword Planner has been said, including able to view keyword that and object how many times and consider search this month. How to use Google Keyword Planner for SEO. Now let all tool this setup Keyword Planner and setup an SEO. Start combined always page, create and add account. Create an Google address, log in on Google Keyword Planner account. Choose a test, upcoming loading in Keyword Planner and will be processed after discount keyword. Discover keyword, new keyword, discover new keyword, great option you looking for example, planner topics, convert and diamond, CPC and keyword ideas, great search volume and forecast. Their info looking like discover and keyword, use an IU on the budget difference hard the your important keyword. One of submit keyword will again percent his search volume. There are month search, year search volume, competitor and high CPC. Defense your creating. Your process to bring defense your creating. Get your data. Friends, nice to meet you. So, excellent and keyword planner on Google. How to Google keyword planner? Generate keyword ideas. Look at search volume. Analyze search internet. Plan search engine ads. Discover command ads. Generate keyword ideas. Look at search volume. Analyze search internet. Plan search engine ads. Discover computer keywords. Free keyword planner. Answer the public. Google trend. Answer the public's Google trend. Keyword super. Free keyword planner alternative. Answer the public. Keyword topics. Google trends. Keyword suffer. Thank you, my friend. Best of luck. How to use Google Ad Keyword Planner according to the 5 specialists. Free guides, template, plan how to use Google Ads for business. How to use Google Ad Planner. Number 5. Generate keyword ideas. Look at search volume. Analytics state. Plan search engine ads. Discover competitors. Thank you. Best of luck.